Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kudzi Madziro. I hope you are fine. I hope you are great. I hope you are doing amazing things wherever you are. It's time to hit the nail in the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to go straight to the point and say it the way it happened, the way it was said. It's time never to beat around the bush, but go straight to the point and say it and speak about it. I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing whereby Shona people look down on NDEBELE people. I don't like it. I don't like it. Shona people, why do you look down on NDEBELE people? Why do you look down on NDEBELE people? You Shonas, you Shona people in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. I grew up seeing this kind of behavior, this kind of an attitude. I grew up seeing it, hearing about it everywhere. Where I went in Zimbabwe, wherever I traveled to in Zimbabwe, in every town, in every city, in every place, I heard people talking down on NDEBELE people, backbiting, gossiping NDEBELE people, shaming NDEBELE people, embarrassing them. For what reason? For what purpose? All my life, all my life. And this is the very first time that I'm publicly addressing this issue on this global platform, on this international stage. What for? Why do you look down on NDEBELE people? Our very own brothers and sisters in this country. Our very own people in this country that make up this country whole. Why do you look down on NDEBELE people? For what reason? For what purpose? What have they done to you? What sin did they commit to you or against you? What crime did they commit against you? These NDEBELE people, why you look down on them? Shona people. Of course, not everybody. Of course, not everybody, but some of them, they look down on NDEBELE people, or they've been looking down on NDEBELE people, shaming them, embarrassing them, talking bad about them, talking on nasty, ridiculous things about them. To achieve what goal? To achieve what purpose? I don't know. I don't understand. Like I said, I grew up in this Shona environment, Shona settings, hearing about these stories, seeing these stories, and my heart would break down. My heart would be affected. And this is the very first time I'm addressing this story in this video, on this global platform, on this international stage, on my channel, YouTube channel. I don't like it myself. I don't like it myself. It's a very bad behavior, very bad attitude. These are our brothers, these are our sisters in Bulawayo, in Matebelen province, Matebelen region. Our very own people, our very own brothers, our very own sisters. Funny enough, some of the Shona people are even marrying NDEBELE women, NDEBELE girls, NDEBELE ladies, NDEBELE women, which is very good. Which is very good. So now I don't understand if some people, Shona people, they talk bad about them. They look down on them. That's my point. Why do you look down on NDEBELE people? For what reason? For what purpose? To achieve what goal? To achieve what objective? To achieve what target? Talk to me in the comment section. What do you have against NDEBELE people? What do you have in your mind, in your brain against NDEBELE people? What have they done? What sin? What crime have they committed? Tell me, what is the sin? What is the crime they've committed, these NDEBELE people? Who are in Bulawayo? Who are in Matebelen province, Matebelen region? I don't understand. I don't understand. Shona people, listen to me. Shona people, listen to me. It's very bad. You have to stop that behavior, stop that attitude. It's very bad. Even God, your creator, Jehovah, does not want it, does not like it. He hates it. This hatred against Ndebele people, this animosity, hatred against Ndebele people is very bad. It's very bad. Even God, Jehovah, your creator, the one who created Zimbabwe, does not like it, does not want it. He hates it. We have to stop this behavior. We have to stop this attitude. These are our brothers, these are our sisters, these are our mothers and fathers. Our mothers, our fathers, our brothers, our sisters in this country. We have to unite. We have to love one another. We have to like each other. We have to live together in one country as one people for the development and growth of this country, socially, politically, economically. This is what I think. Personally, I don't like this this thing of looking down on Ndebele people for whatever reason, either justified or unjustified. I don't understand it. It's very bad attitude, very bad behavior. It's my first time to address this issue on this platform. Shona people, you must stop looking down on Ndebele people. You are not better than them. We are all equal. We are all the same. We are all identical before God, Jehovah, the Creator. We are all human beings with the same human nature. Are you following me? Are you understanding what I'm saying? We have to stop that behavior, stop that attitude. I'm signing out. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. It's healthy for your body. Sharp.